Today I'm here with one of Tri-State Nissan's top sales consultants, Tony Abuasi. How does it feel to be #1 in sales in the district?
It feels good that hard work and dedication and commitment pays off.
What is your secret to having so many customers return to you?
It's simply by listening to everybody, the wants and need, and show genuine interest in everybody, and treat them like family.
That's awesome. Congratulations. It's such an
Thank
honor
you.
to be #1.
Appreciate it.
So Eric Thomas, how does it feel to be #3 in top sales of the district for the past 90 days?
Well, it's a great accomplishment here for me at Tri-State Nissan as I'm still building my foundation. Just being at the dealership just a little over a year, to be recognized to be in the top 5 for 90 days sales, I'm really excited about that. It's really great for me to be able to be recognized for that. I feel real proud and happy to know that I have worked hard to be able to build myself up to get to the sales that I need to be.
What's your secret to having so many customers return to you?
Well, I take my time with my customers. I like to build a personal relationship with each and every one of my customers. And I explain to my customers, once I get comfortable with them and they know a little bit about me and I know a little bit about them, that my goal is to get them the best deal possible for each and every customer, one customer at a time, one deal at a time. I like to keep the customers at the center of everything that I do. So if you come in and you're working with ET, his main goal is to get you the best deal possible.
That sounds really great. Thank you so much for coming in and speaking with me today.
Thank you.
Lastly, we have Frank Hubbard here in the #4 spot in the district for sales. How does it feel to be in the top 5?
Feels great. I've never been in sales before, so to be in a top 5 position in a career that is all new to me, it feels really good, exceptional.
That's perfect. You're so close to Eric and Tony. You've only been here less than a year. What is your game plan to maybe beat them out?
Just to continue what I'm doing, customer satisfaction, that's the main priority. Just listening to my customers' needs and being very attentive to them. And then also the great team that we have here, working with our awesome staff and learning from some of the veterans. Just going to continue what I'm doing and making customer #1.
That's all very awesome. You all are doing such a great job here at Tri-State Nissan. You're making us all very proud. Thank you for sitting down with me today, and congratulations.